Today I'm going to read to you a book by the name of Clifford. Clifford Wants a Cookie. Clifford wants a cookie. Clifford wants a treat. He wants a snack that's yummy and sweet and good to eat. But look inside the cookie jar. No crumb in there. So Clifford tries the bakery. Oh no, this isn't fair. Now's the time he needs a friend to show him what to do. Oh, Emily Elizabeth, your Clifford counts on you. I love Clifford, it's so funny. Okay, Clifford, I can help, she says. Now, don't you fret. I need just 6 ingredients. You'll have your cookie yet. We need an egg and butter and some sugar too. I'll roll the dough out flat and neat, then cut the cookies one by one. And you put them on the cookie sheet. Clifford smells the cookies baking. They're almost done. Finally, a yummy treat, and one that's lots of fun. Thank you, Emily Elizabeth. And here is Emily Elizabeth's cookie recipe. I bet Clifford loved those. The end.